Welcome to the video presentation on the Robosaur project done by the SIM classes at Saratoga Springs High School. For this project, we would reverse engineer a pre-built moving wooden dinosaur. Using Autodesk Inventor, we would create a solid model of each individual part, then a final assembly of the dinosaur model. Also, by us creating each part on Autodesk Inventor, it gave us a template for the laser cutter so we could cut out each part. Then we would recreate the final dinosaur by cutting out all of our parts using a laser cutter. The recreated model should be identical to the manufactured one. Since this project was very large, the class as a whole was working on it. Our first step was to appoint a project manager. The role of the project manager in this project was to organize the class and make sure everyone had a job to work on. The first objective our class strived for was to recreate each part on Inventor. Our project manager gave everyone in the class a part to recreate. Since our first step was to recreate every part, everyone in the class had about 4 or 5 parts to work on. Here you can see all of our recreated parts in an exploded view. Here you can see our laser cutter in our classroom cutting out different dinosaur parts. The wood that we used was about 1/8 of an inch thick. We had to be careful in choosing the right wood because too thick and it would not cut all the way through, and too thin the model would break. After all the parts were cut out, our next and final step was to put the model together. Here you can see a photo of the model and a video clip of the model moving.